Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Learn Podcast, the podcast where we help you improve your English in a fun and practical way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Hazel. Today's topic is something we all have experienced at some point. Being ambitious but lazy.
That's right, you have big dreams, big plans, but you just don't feel like doing anything about them.
Maybe you want to start a business, get fit, or learn a new skill. You imagine success, but instead you're watching videos, scrolling through your phone, or sleeping in late.
You keep saying, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes.
We're going to talk about why this happens, how to overcome it. And of course, we'll teach you useful idioms, phrases, and vocabulary along the way.
And stay till the end. We have a vocabulary section where we'll explain tricky words and expressions.
So, let's dive in.
All right, let's start with a simple question. Why do people feel ambitious but lazy?
It's because thinking is easier than doing. Dreaming about success feels good, but taking action? That's a tough nut to crack.
A tough nut to crack means something difficult to do or understand, and laziness is a big nut to crack.
Right. Also, some people want results fast. They don't want to put in the hard work.
Like someone who buys a gym membership but never goes. They just bite off more than they can chew.
That's a good one. Bite off more than you can chew means taking on more than you can handle.
Some people also fear failure. They don't even start because they worry they won't succeed.
Exactly. It's like they want success served on a silver platter.
Served on a silver platter means getting something easily without effort.
But success doesn't work that way. You have to work for it.
Now, let's talk about excuses. We all have them, right?
Oh, definitely. The classic one is, I don't have time.
But the same person spends hours on their phone.
Another excuse, I don't feel motivated.
Motivation is unreliable. If you wait for motivation, you'll wait forever.
That's true sometimes. You just have to push yourself.
Another big excuse, I'm too tired.
But most of the time, people are not physically tired. They are mentally tired from procrastinating.
Exactly. Procrastination is like quicksand. The longer you stay in, the harder it is to escape.
That's a great way to put it. And here's another excuse, I'll start when I'm ready.
The truth is, you'll never feel completely ready. You just have to start.
Okay, let's get to the good part. Solutions. How can we stop being lazy?
First, start small. If you want to read books, don't force yourself to read for 2 hours. Start with 5 minutes a day.
Yes. Small actions lead to big results. It's called the domino effect.
Oh, that's a good one. The domino effect means small actions leading to bigger consequences.
Another tip, create a routine. If you make something a habit, you won't need motivation.
Exactly. And cut out distractions. If your phone is stopping you from working, put it in another room.
Yes, and set deadlines. A goal without a deadline is just a dream.
And remember, done is better than perfect. Just start, even if it's not perfect.
Now, let's go over some key words and phrases from today's episode. A tough nut to crack. Something difficult to do or understand. Example, learning a new language is a tough nut to crack, but it's worth it.
Bite off more than you can chew. To take on more than you can handle. Example, he started 5 projects at once, but now he's struggling. He bit off more than he could chew.
Served on a silver platter. To get something easily without effort. Example, success is never served on a silver platter. You have to work for it.
Procrastination, delaying or postponing tasks. Example, procrastination is the enemy of success.
The domino effect, a series of small actions leading to bigger consequences. Example, waking up early can create a domino effect for a productive day.
Great. Now let's do a quick Q&A to test our listeners.
All right, let's test you. I'll say a sentence with a missing word and you fill in the blank. I know learning English is, but you can do it with practice.
A tough nut to crack.
If you want success, don't expect it to be.
Served on a silver platter.
He started too many projects. Now he's stressed. He
Bit off more than he could chew. Did you get them right? If not, don't worry. Listen again and keep practicing.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, ambition alone is not enough. Take action.
We'll see you next time on Quick Learn Podcast. Bye for now.
Bye. Keep learning.